Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix low recording volume in Soundpad. Let's begin. Once you've successfully opened your Soundpad client, I want you to go over here, click on File, go to Preferences, okay? Then we have the audio, the very first tab. You just need to increase this because this is what Soundpad normalizes, or this is the normal volume your Soundpad will utilize. You can click on the drop down box and increase this up to 107, or you can click over here.
Here,
As you can
as you can
see,
see,
you can
you can
measure
measure
where your
where
current
your
volume
current
is
volume
at.
is at.
So it's
So it's
currently at
currently
maximum at
maximum of
80.
80.
Okay.
Okay,
So I'm going to
so I'm
stop
going to stop.
this, and you also have fixed volume adjustment. So you can read on this, but this is what we only need. Okay, I'm going to set this back on 80. Let me just make sure to increase this. Just make sure to click on apply and okay. Then Soundpad will automatically save and apply those changes. That's it. I hope you found this video very helpful.